Okay, so today I got a W210 EIS. The customer thinks that he's got a bad key, and I've been doing some testing. It looks like he may be right. This is a 210-545-0008. This actually came out of a C230, 1999 C230. So it's a W202 chassis, but it came with a 210 switch. Okay. So this is the key, and this is an aftermarket key already. Put it into my card reader here, and I go to my software here. I hit identification key, and we get BE key. I can get the key password just by clicking on this button. There's our key password. So I can communicate with the key. However, when I try to repair the key, if there's a problem with it, I click on this and we get no key was inserted. So there's a portion of this key that is not being recognized. I'm going to try repair key via IR. Says to insert it to the IR reader. It's already inserted. I hit OK. And it says no key was inserted. So this key is not being recognized. I can make a key and then retest this ignition switch. So if I go over here to EIS tools, and it doesn't do auto detect CAN, so I've got to go down here. Select 202.208.210, and then I'm going to hit read EIS and data password. It's going to read. Okay, so now I have the EIS data here. I'm going to paste the key password and save this data. I've already done this step, so it's already saved this file there. I can just resave it. Yes, replace it. Save it. Yes, replace it. Okay. Now I'm going to program a key . Can do key number 5. He's got 2 available key slots open, key 5 and key 7. So we're going to start with key number 5. I'm going to prepare the key file. Okay, our key file is ready. Now I'm going to grab a new key. Okay, here's my blank key. Doesn't have the emblem logo on it yet. That way I can differentiate between the two. Once I get this working, I'll put the little emblem on and it'll look just like that one. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is read this key. Identify key. Okay, it's another BE key. This is reading data failed. Let's try that again. Reading data success. Okay. Now we're going to hit load key file. This is the key file that we just made, key number 5, and we're going to write it. Okay. Now this key should work. Okay, so I've got the key programmed and I've got it hooked up to an emulator. So if this key is working, I should be able to stick it in, get a green light on the emulator, and then turn the key. So we got a green light, and I can turn the key. And that's the key that I just programmed. This is the key that came with the switch. We do not get a green light here, and I cannot turn the key. Okay, this is the good key, and it works.